Florida's geological marvels.
We are down in Jefferson County along the Aucilla River on part of the Florida Trail. It's called the Aucilla Sinks Trail. This is one of many places where the Aucilla River, it appears to go underground. Now, the headwaters of the Aucilla River are up in South Georgia. So we get a lot of surface water that flows as the Aucilla River over the Tallahassee Clay Hills until it goes over
big rapids before it goes underground.
And then once that water reaches the Woodville Karst Plain, in fairly short order, you start to see the river disappear through these karst features, through these tunnels, if you will.
The Florida National Scenic Trail passes by this spot where the river goes under. The trail then continues along a series of karst features where you can see segments of the river's path as it moves beneath the surface.
There's waterfalls
It may look like a single river stream flowing underground,
as well.
I'll sort of get that
Aucilla River is probably the most scenic river in the world.
Flowing underground is not quite what geologists would call it. And what you're seeing here is you're seeing the ancient conduit system that was sculpted
Look at those mighty limestone cliffs.
over many, many thousands and probably even millions of years, Rob. And the reason we see it here is because the surface of it has collapsed. The cave roof has collapsed over geologic time. This is not just a river or one pipe. This is an interconnected bunch of all kinds of porosities and cave systems and little tunnels where once that water gets into the underground aquifer, it has the ability to flow quite voluminously, as you can see from the discharge coming out of there. But this is the kind of thing that exists under almost
Somebody
the
has
entire
a
state
flute.
of Florida.
And under the entire state of Florida, the limestone aquifer is the
Guess
source of our
what
drinking
it's
water and our springs. The story of this limestone starts millions of years ago when Florida was below sea level.
A modern analog to what was going on 30 million years ago when this was being deposited. We can find it right in the nearshore marine
Kessler
environment.
Tall
right off
versus
Florida
the
today.
Moody Blue.
So that's kind of interesting to think about, that those habitats have existed here in Florida for many, many millions of years, and they're responsible for us having Florida. Limestone is comprised primarily of the mineral calcite, but sometimes the calcite can come in different forms. Some of the marine organisms that you'll find fossils of in here, actually you'll find the molds of them because they long since dissolved away. But those marine animals make their tests or their shells, if you will, out of either aragonite or calcite. And aragonite is a little less stable form of calcium carbonate. Calcite is susceptible to being dissolved away by acidic water. Rainwater is naturally acidic. Once rainwater gets into and percolates into the soils and sediments, it can actually pick up additional acidic things like tannins and other kinds of organic acids, and it turns the water black. And we know in karst regions that typically the underground portion of what we see here can be described, a good analog is a sponge. You've got a whole bunch of holes and connected spaces where water over many thousands to millions of years has actually dissolved away and left behind these void spaces that now the Aucilla River flows in here.
Look at that mess.
Dissolution is still occurring, slowly, over geologic time. We can see where sinkholes are in the process of forming along the trail, and may one day collapse and open up.
I tell you, it's rocky there. They're huge limestone
The Aucilla
boulders.
Sinks is that rare kind of place where we can see Florida's geology in action from above ground.
Yippee-ki-yay!
It's a beautiful area, great place to hike. But what you'll really take away from it is the dramatic geology that was etched by
Mighty
water.
so goddamn
And not
blurry.
only that, you can also envision that this series of rises and falls of the
It's a
Aucilla
blurry
River is
documentary.
just one example that's near enough to the surface where you can see it. of all of the plumbing that's going on in the deep subsurface beneath us. And it's one of the reasons why Florida is such a unique state, and we are blessed with an abundance of water in our state. It's because we live on this giant sponge.
For WFSU, I'm Rob Diaz de Villegas.
Thanks. Don't let the door hit you in the ass.